Okay, so for my anal psychosexual stages, my bathroom drawing is this, with the urinal, toilet, sink, mirror, all that in separate stalls, so like small little rooms. And as you can tell, I like my privacy and I like to have things placed in neat, organized spots. Like I put the soap next to everything. I had like a plunger over there. And for my potty training, my parents told me I was potty trained around the age of 2.5 and that I was a quick learner. This is the average time, 1.5 to 3 hours. So according to Freud, I'm in the middle of anal retentive and anal expulsive, but leaning more towards anal retentive because I learned fast. So do I agree with Freud? I do agree with Freud because I'm a very anal retentive person, and my parents told me I was so too, even when I was younger. And also since I learned quickly, and I would also contribute some of my retentiveness to my parents who are also very anal retentive, which may affect the way they potty train me. In my life, I often find myself anal retentive, such as I think that everything has its own place. I leave every place how I find it, and I keep everything cleaned, and I'm very good at remembering my belongings.